Hi everyone! If you accidentally deleted a message on Messenger, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted messages step by step. Let's dive in. Before trying to recover methods, make sure the message isn't just archived. Open the Messenger app on your phone, tap the menu icon top left corner, then select Archive to view the hidden chats. If you find the message, swipe right and tap on Archive to restore it. Then, download your Messenger data. If the messages are permanently deleted, try downloading your Messenger data. Then, go to facebook.com. Log in your Facebook account, click the menu Settings, and then go to your Facebook information. Select Download your information, then choose Messages that only keep the file size small. Then select the date range if needed, then tap Create a file. Wait for the Facebook to generate the file, then download it when ready. Extract and view the message, and if it's once downloaded the file. And open the Files app and find the zip file. Extract the file and open the Facebook activity folder, then navigate to Messages and go to your inbox. Find the chat folder of the person whose messages you want to see. Then open the folder to view the deleted messages with time taps. And that's it. Now you know how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.